For some reason my phone stopped, so try to do it quicker than it's telling me to hurry up. Sparklers, more novelties, sparklers. Roman candles. Finally, I know a lot of people want these adult candles. These are nice. These are really nice. How much are they? Adult candle. Wow, they went up in price though. $12. It was last time they had them like $10 for the 4-pack. Doesn't want to focus. So more Roman candles. New Pyro Star. Some new Top Gun. Blackjack. Some Ghost. New also. I mean, these barrage candles, 210 shots. I've seen videos on these. These sound pretty good. Might take a couple. And brand new firecrackers. $7. Little box of 1,000. 2,000, $15. All new right here. Nice little box. Platinum flash, $18. 2,000. 1,280, $10. And more little crackers. The sampler, it's $145 right now. I mean, they were cheaper about a month ago. I got a case like for $105. Brothers, not really anything on special. So you can see a lot of brothers aisle. Just there's a Capella case special for the Mayhem. A new Pyro Star. 65 right now, so they're not on special. Only case that's on special, it's a 4G. You see the price right there. Pause it if you want. Some of this bigger case, still navy. Actually, this one's pretty nice. 55, good price. And the finale sets, really cheap. Those are really cheap. 75, 75, 75. You see all of them cheap. And no ups. No abs. So yeah, you should come over. Really cheap right now. Oh, wait. Give me a second so you can see the new, some of the newer stuff. Actually, this is pretty cheap. $15. Can't go wrong. It's a think of 100-gram cake. Case with 8, $96. I think on demo day this one was, I'm not sure. I think I seen it like $60 for the case. No. The new Pyro Star. I guess that's it. Said my fellow brother Pyros. I'm out.